In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Asana Workspace ID. Whether you're setting up integrations or just curious about the details of your workspace, knowing your workspace ID is an essential part of navigating Asana more efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk you through this simple step-by-step process. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to Asana's website. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Asana on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, this is going to be quite straightforward. Next, enter your email address. This is crucial as your email is your primary identifier on Asana. Make sure it's the same email you used when you signed up for the platform. After typing in your email, you'll see a continue button. Click on that to progress. Now you'll need to enter your password. This is the key that secures your account, so be sure to input it correctly. In case you've forgotten it, there's usually an option to reset it, but let's assume you have it handy right now. Once your password is entered, click on the login button. This action will take you directly to your Asana homepage. Upon successfully logging in and finding yourself on the Asana homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already quite familiar. The homepage provides a comprehensive view of your recent tasks, announcements, and more, but our focus today is locating that workspace ID. To find this ID, focus your attention on the URL at the top of your browser window. This URL contains various strings of numbers and letters that might initially look confusing, but don't worry, we're going to decode it. Look carefully at the URL once you've navigated to your desired workspace. You'll notice a particular set of numbers following the standard Asana URL format. This numerical sequence is your workspace ID. It usually appears right after appasana.com /1 and before the next slash. This sequence of numbers uniquely identifies your workspace within Asana. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Asana Workspace ID. This ID can be used for various integrations and to streamline many operations within Asana. Remember, having this information at your disposal makes tasks like automating workflows or linking with other software tools much more manageable. I hope this guide was helpful and empowers you to make the most out of your Asana experience. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out.